What's up everyone, welcome back to Digital Knowledge again. In today's quick tutorial, you are going to see how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. So for that, I'm heading over to my YouTube application first. Once I'm in there, I'm heading over to my profile by tapping on the profile icon on the lower right corner. And here you will find the option on the top just below your channel name. Switch account, rule account, and if you scroll to the right, you will find turn on incognito. So I'm tapping on turn on incognito. So as you can see, I have gone incognito and they're giving me the option in here. I'm saying got it. And yeah, this is now on my YouTube's incognito. If I search for anything, and it will be now on incognito mode. So yeah, this is how you can just do it too. Hope this video helped you out. And if you want to just get out from incognito, you have to go to this incognito option on the lower right corner, then tap on turn off incognito, and the incognito mode is turned off again. So yeah, this is how easily you can switch on and switch back incognito mode. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.